When it comes to home improvement, one area that often gets overlooked is the doors. Whether it's the front entry door, patio doors, or interior doors, they play a crucial role in your home's overall look, security, and energy efficiency. In Cayce, where the climate varies and the need for secure, stylish homes is high, investing in professional door replacement can offer a host of benefits. Let's explore why professional door replacement might be the ideal solution for your home. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. The exterior doors of your property, including the front door, are one of the first things people notice when they approach. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can diminish the aesthetic appeal of your home and even lower its resale value. On the other hand, a new, professionally installed door can elevate the appearance of your home, making it more inviting and attractive. Whether you prefer a classic wooden design, a modern steel door, or a stylish fiberglass option, professional door replacement ensures that your new door complements the style of your home while boosting its curb appeal. This not only enhances the exterior look but can also give you a sense of pride and satisfaction in your living space. Enhanced energy efficiency. Over time, doors can wear down, leading to air leaks and poor insulation. Drafty doors allow heat to escape in the winter and let hot air in during the summer, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature in your home. As a result, your heating and cooling systems work harder, which leads to higher energy bills. Professional door replacement can address these issues. Modern doors come with better insulation materials and advanced weather stripping to keep your home more energy efficient. Whether it's a solid wood door or well-insulated steel option, upgrading to a new door will help regulate indoor temperatures, potentially lowering your energy costs and contributing to a greener, more sustainable lifestyle. Improved security and safety. Your doors are one of the first lines of defense against intruders. Old, damaged, or poorly installed doors may be easier for criminals to break into, compromising the safety and security of your home. A professional door replacement ensures that your new door is built to last, with features that increase security. Upgraded doors often come with enhanced locking mechanisms, more robust materials, and stronger frames that deter forced entry. Additionally, a new door may come with modern technology options, such as smart locks, providing you with better control over access to your home. If security is a priority for you and your family, professional door replacement is an investment you won't regret. Noise reduction. Living in a noisy environment can be stressful. Whether you're dealing with traffic noise, noisy neighbors, or the hustle and bustle of daily life, unwanted noise can interfere with your peace and quiet. One of the less talked about benefits of professional door replacement is noise reduction. High-quality exterior doors, especially those made from materials like fiberglass or steel, can effectively block out noise from the outside. The insulation and construction of these doors help reduce sound transmission, creating a quieter and more serene indoor environment. If you live in a busy area of Cayce, this feature can be particularly valuable. Increased home value. Home improvement projects that enhance the look, functionality, and safety of your property can increase its market value. A professionally replaced door not only improves the aesthetics but also increases the overall value of your home. If you're planning to sell in the future, a modern, attractive door can make your home stand out from the competition, potentially leading to a quicker sale or a higher asking price. Real estate experts agree that curb appeal and home security are two critical factors for buyers, and a newly installed door can make a strong statement. Whether you plan to sell soon or just want to make your home more valuable, professional door replacement is a smart investment. Expert installation and long-term durability. While DIY projects can be fun and cost-effective, door installation is best left to the professionals. Proper installation is critical for ensuring that your new door operates smoothly, is secure, and functions as intended. Incorrect installation can lead to issues such as misalignment, gaps, or difficulty in opening and closing the door, which can cause problems down the road. By hiring professionals in Cayce for door replacement, you benefit from their expertise and experience. They'll ensure your door is installed properly and functions at its best for years to come, saving you time, money, and frustration in the long term. Conclusion. Replacing old or damaged doors with professionally installed new ones offers a range of benefits, from improved curb appeal and enhanced energy efficiency to increased security and better noise control. If you're considering updating your home in Cayce, investing in professional door replacement can provide lasting improvements to your home's value, comfort, and overall appeal. With expert installation and high-quality doors, you'll enjoy a more secure, energy-efficient, and beautiful living space for years to come.